In the journey of life, our finances are like the compass that guides us towards our dreams and aspirations. Welcome back to The Journey to Financial Fitness. Today, we're diving into the essential skill of creating a personal budget. Join us as we take you through a step-by-step guide to crafting a budget that will pave the way to financial success. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on managing your money. Let's get started. Assess your income. Our financial journey begins with understanding our income, the foundation on which we build our financial well-being. Assessing your income is the crucial first step towards creating a solid financial plan. Let's dive into this essential segment of our journey. Start by gathering all sources of income you receive regularly. This includes your salary, wages, freelance earnings, rental income, or any other sources of money coming in. Take a close look at these inflows and ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of your total income. Next, it's important to calculate your net income, the amount you take home after taxes and other deductions. This is the actual amount available for you to use for your expenses and savings. Understanding your net income provides a realistic view of your financial resources. Take note of the frequency at which you receive your income. Is it on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis? Knowing the timing of your income is essential for effective budgeting and managing your expenses throughout the month. As you assess your income, consider any potential changes or fluctuations. Are there bonuses or commissions that may vary from month to month? Understanding the variability of your income can help you plan and allocate your funds accordingly. Track your expenses. Now, let's move on to tracking your expenses. Begin by examining your spending patterns over the past few months. Gather your bank statements, credit card statements, and receipts to get an accurate picture of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into essential and non-essential categories. Essential expenses include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. Non-essential expenses encompass dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, and discretionary purchases. It's important to be thorough and capture all your expenses, no matter how small. This will provide a comprehensive overview of your spending habits and help you identify areas where you can potentially cut back. Set financial goals. With a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to set financial goals. Ask yourself, what are your short-term and long-term financial aspirations? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or build an emergency fund? Establishing specific and achievable goals will provide a sense of direction and purpose for your budget. Prioritize your goals based on their importance and allocate funds accordingly. Keep in mind that some goals may require adjustments in your spending or saving habits. Create your budget. Now that you have assessed your income, tracked your expenses, and set financial goals, it's time to create your budget. Start by listing your income sources and their amounts. Then, allocate funds to cover your essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, groceries, and debt payments. Next, assign portions of your income towards your financial goals. Determine how much you want to save each month and allocate funds accordingly. Remember, paying yourself first by saving is essential for long-term financial success. Finally, allocate funds for your non-essential expenses, such as dining out, entertainment, and discretionary purchases. Be mindful of these categories and consider areas where you can cut back or make adjustments to align with your financial goals. Review and adjust. Your budget is a living document that requires regular review and adjustments. Take time each month to review your actual expenses and compare them to your budgeted amounts. Identify any areas where you overspent or underspent and make necessary adjustments for the upcoming months. Be flexible with your budget and allow room for unexpected expenses. Building an emergency fund can provide a safety net for those unforeseen financial surprises. Remember, budgeting is a continuous process of learning and refining. As your financial situation evolves, your budget may need to adapt accordingly. Stay committed to your financial goals and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're on track to achieve them. Creating a budget that works for you. A budget is more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's a powerful tool that helps you take control of your finances and achieve your goals. Let's explore the secrets to crafting a budget that aligns with your lifestyle and aspirations. Start by assessing your income and expenses, as we discussed in previous segments. Understanding your financial inflows and outflows is crucial for creating an effective budget. With your financial information in hand, it's time to allocate your income towards different categories. Begin by covering your essential expenses: housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. Allocate a specific portion of your income to each category, ensuring that you have enough to meet these essential needs. Next, assign a portion of your income to savings and investments. Paying yourself first is a fundamental principle of personal finance. Set aside a specific amount each month to build your emergency fund, save for retirement, or achieve other financial goals. Automate these savings whenever possible to make it easier and consistent. A practice that cultivates a healthy and intentional relationship with money. Mindful spending helps us align our purchases with our values, avoid unnecessary expenses, and make conscious decisions about how we use our financial resources. Begin by reflecting on your spending habits. Take a moment to think about your purchases and the reasons behind them. Are you buying out of necessity, or are there deeper motivations at play, such as emotional triggers or societal pressures? Practice mindful awareness before making a purchase. Ask yourself if the item or experience aligns with your financial goals and values. Consider the long-term impact of the purchase on your financial well-being and whether it brings true fulfillment and happiness. Embrace the practice of delayed gratification. Instead of giving in to impulsive purchases, take time to think about whether it's a genuine need or a momentary desire. This pause allows you to make more deliberate choices and avoid buyer's remorse. Prioritize experiences over material possessions. Invest in experiences that create lasting memories and personal growth rather than accumulating more stuff. These experiences often bring greater joy and fulfillment in the long run. Congratulations on completing your personal budget. By following this step-by-step guide, you've taken a significant step towards financial success. Remember to stay disciplined, track your progress, and make adjustments along the way. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on managing your money and achieving financial fitness. Until our next adventure, keep budgeting, keep striving, and keep growing on the journey to financial fitness.